Got my cats, Gary and Chrissy. Got my mama and daddy too. Got my brothers, Dylan and Ethan. My grandma, my cousins too. It's the family channel all day. We're gonna have some fun today. It's the family channel.
Alright, so we're going to show you how good this works. We're going to get Dylan to walk outside and walk by his dad's truck and stuff like that so you can see what it does.
Go ahead, Doodle.
Please.
You don't have to stay out there long.
Just walk by your dad's truck and then walk up to the doorbell and ring it so people can see what the doorbell does and stuff. And believe it or not, she's the one that hooked it up. See, y'all can't say woman can't do nothing. I got some footage of her installing it too that I'll...
I can say that you're just bad at stuff because all that, most of them decorations on your wall I put up. Think about that.
Nobody asked you, shut up. So you can hear the... See, it's a good way to see who's in your yard and stuff, because you can see...
Maybe there's a rat in my yard.
Yep. There's a dodo walking around.
Step away from the truck. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Step away from the truck. Darn, he almost fell. You didn't ring the door.
You're supposed to stay out there.
Stay out there so I can answer it. Excuse me, step away from my front door, please. I don't like you. You're not allowed here. All right.
And you're also able to save the videos, I think.
You can record them and save them for if you need to call the cops or anything.
And then you'll have proof of people messing with your stuff or whatever. So, and they're not... How hard was it to install, you think?
It wasn't very hard. The instructions were pretty self-explanatory. Oops. Dylan, what are you doing? Get your hand off of the darn thing.
Just, if you have kids like him...
They're going to play with it.
The big one has to ring every time he comes home from work. He rings it every day.
All right, we're done, Dill.
So...
Stop.
Yeah, the sound comes from that right there, and there's a little box.
Yeah, that comes from the one on the water.
So.
We don't like you. Oh, you can screenshot it too. You can screenshot it too. You can send it to the cops or just something like, you know, if your husband is out of town or whatever. You can send a screenshot. And it has history too.
All right. We'll see you guys in the next video.